Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this headless outfit costume on Dress to Impress. Obviously, you're going to want to dress up like way scarier than like my current outfit right now. But you're actually going to want to buy the pose pack for it. So select the poses, select this icon here, and then select select Halloween pose pack, and then you're going to select the headless one. So here, Halloween pose pack, select the headless one. And that is how you can create a headless costume on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.